nakuha silang bank account mo eh. Is this true?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
May nakuha silang bank account mo?
Yes po,
So
Mr.
anong bangko yun?
BPI po, Mr. Chair.
BPI.
Yes, Mr.
Ilang BPI account meron ka?
I have one personal account po, Mr. Chair.
One personal account? Ano to, checking, savings, or
Savings po, Mr. Chair.
savings account? So, isa lang ang savings account mo? Or
Yes
you
po.
have another joint account with somebody?
I have a joint account with Attorney Roque po, Mr. Chair.
So, meron kang joint account with Harry Roque.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
How much? Magkano laman nung joint account nyo ni Attorney Harry Roque?
As of today ba yun, Mr. Chair?
No, today, how much?
Sa pagkakalam ko, Mr. Chair, close na po yung account na yun.
Akin close na. Sino nag-close? Ikaw? Kayong dalawa, joint, right?
Hindi po ako nag-close noon, Mr. Chair. Pero pag-check ko po online, wala na po siya.
Pero having that joint account with Attorney Harry Roque, namamonitor mo yung account. Siyempre, account mo, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, magkano yung pinakamalaking pumasok na pera?
Sa pagkaalala ko kasi, Mr. Chair, that account was used for election po, Mr. Chair.
So, how much ang pinakamalaking pumasok na pera?
Around 3M or more, Mr. Chair.
3M.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
One
One transaction po.
transaction. So, umabot ng magkano yung account na yun?
Alam ko that is the limit, Mr. Chair. Yung pinakamalaki po na deposit. Kasi pag
No, I mean the total, AR. Yung total na pumasok sa joint account nyo, how much?
Yun ang hindi ko po masasagot, Mr. Chair.
Bakit?
Hindi ko po alam if magkano po lahat ang pumasok ko, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo nakikita account mo? Wala kang kopya? Wala kang online account? Hindi mo nakikita yung pasok? You're under oath.
Ang klaruhin ko lang, Mr. Chair, ang tanong niyo is magkano lahat ang pumasok po doon, di ba, Mr. Chair?
Yes, oo.
Hindi ko po alam ano yung total amount po na pumasok doon, Mr. Chair.
Pero ang pinakamalaki na nakita mo is only 3 million. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ang pinakamalaking pumasok is 3 million.
Pwede ko i-check, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead.
$3 million po ang biggest na pumasok doon, Mr. Chair.
So, ano yung tinitingnan mo kanina? Wala kang nakita?
Nag-loading pa kasi, Mr. Chair.
Nakaka-withdraw ka ba sa account na yan?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, nakaka-withdraw ka?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Magkano ang pinakamalaki na withdraw mo?
Around 1.8, Mr. Chair.
One withdrawal. Don't worry, AR. You have to be honest. You know why?
Around 1.2 to 1.8, Mr. Chair. Alam ko po yun.
Yung na-withdraw mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, marami kang withdrawal na malalaki.
Parang once a month yun, Mr. Chair, before. For election purposes naman yun, Mr. Chair. For payroll po ng mga tao po.
And why is Attorney Harry Roque allowing you to withdraw that big amount?
That is for the payroll po ng election staff po ni Attorney Roque ng election po, Mr. Chair.
Election.
Yes po, election staff.
So, ang sinasabi mo, that amount that was withdrawn by you during election time, are you sure? During election time?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Definite ka dyan, ha?
Yes,
Kasi pag nakita natin na hindi election time yan, you're lying, ha?
makita rin, Mr. Chair, na nag-withdraw din ako ng that amount last election po.
1.2 and 1.8.
Within those range po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Sige, for that, Mr. Chairman, no further questions for the moment.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. May direct... Yes, Congressman Acop, you're ready.
May just ask some question from Mr. De La Serna.
Please proceed.
Mr. De La Serna, in 2023, ilang beses kayong lumabas ni Attorney Roque?
Laging rejected, daming requirements.
Taruhin ko lang po, Mr. Chair. Out of the country trips po ba yun?
Ano?
Out of the country trips ba yun, Mr.
Yes, out of the country. Ilang beses kayo lumabas ni Attorney Roque in the year 2023?
6 times po, Mr. Chair.
6.
Yes.
6 times in 1 year. Tama?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Pwede po bang sabihin nyo sa committee na ito, ano ang mga dahilan o purpose ninyo kung bakit 6 times po kayong lumalabas ni Attorney Roque
The
in
first trip-
2023?
Mr. Chair, the first trip was a trip to Hong Kong po. For sa pagkalala ko, Mr. Chair, yun po yung premiere night ng isang movie po with the Marcos family po, Mr. Chair. Ang second trip po namin in this,
Ano? Isang movie?
yung movie po with ni Senator Amy po, Mr. Chair. May premiere night po sa Hong Kong that time.
Okay.
Tapos the next trip was a trip to Beijing po, Mr. Chair. Kasama ko po-
Anong buwan yung buwan?
April po, Mr. Chair.
Sa Hong Kong?
Yes.
Sa Hong Kong.
If I'm not mistaken, Mr. Chair, it was April 1 po.
April 1. Sa Hong Kong. Pero in April of 2023, the record show nag-travel din kayo sa China eh.
Yes, to Beijing po, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, 2 beses kayong lumabas ng ating bansa ng 2 beses kasama si Attorney Roque.
Yes, Mr. Chair, that is correct.
Hindi ba sinabi mo, 5 ba yung executive assistant ni Attorney Roque?
That is the time in Malacanang po, Mr. Chair. Out of office po.
So, nawala na po sila nung nawala na siya sa Malacanang.
Tama po, Mr.
Ikaw lang ang natira.
Yes po.
Ha?
May ibang staff naman, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, ikaw lang ang natira doon sa 5 EA niya.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, ikaw naman oh. Iiwas ka kaagad. Di ba? Ano kaya meron ka kung bakit ikaw ang paborito ni Attorney Harry Roque?
To my